Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in again. This is a super quick, easy trick to learn. Once you know how to do this, it literally takes you 10 seconds to do it. It has to do with edging with your string trimmer. Now, just in case some of you don't know what edging is, when you're using your weed whacker, normally the string is going this way, so you're whacking weeds down. When you're edging, you want the line going this way so you can cut that nice line in between a sidewalk and your grass. That's what I mean by edging. So most people, and this is okay to do this, if you're out there weed whacking and you run into a place where you need to edge, then you can just literally take that and just flip it over on the side like that, so your line head's going up and down now, and then you can trim like that or edge like that. Now the problem with that is that's super hard on your wrists, really awkward to do that. You'll never see a landscaper do that for more than about 10-20 seconds. Where I live, whenever I see a landscaper edging for a long period of time, they actually will take their trimmer and hold it upside down like this. And now the line head is actually going up and down, perfect for edging, and they'll hold their trimmer like this and use their pinky as they're edging like that. Again, it's easier on your wrists, but it is super awkward to do that for a long period of time. So this is what I do. On a lot of trimmers out there, this one, for instance, it has 2 bolts holding the entire bottom end on the gear, the gear head right onto that tube. This one only has 1 bolt, so let's use that one for the demonstration. Take your tool, and you don't even need to take anything apart. You just crack that bolt loose, and then you can spin this whole gear head around to whatever position you want. I put it 90 degrees to that side because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you can just spin it the opposite way, and then you just simply tighten up that bolt, and you're done. Now you can go out there and hold your trimmer normally like you usually do, totally comfortable, but now your line head is in the edging position and you can edge like that all day long. I really hope that was informative. I hope I helped somebody out there. Till the next time, Steve out.